Hello everyone, did you know that developing a small drug takes over the hundred of years and costs in millions? Sometimes trials get failed. So the real question is, can we make this faster, smarter and more efficient? We TechX we come up with the solution an agentic AI platform for drug repurposing. Our systems helps pharmaceutical companies identifies the uses of the existing drugs in just minutes instead of months. Currently, pharma teams faces the major challenges such as data scattered across the research papers, patents and the trials. And manual analysis get months and sometimes years also. So the cost get higher and slow decision making, and we sometimes miss the various opportunities. To solve this problem, we come up with an agentic AI. In this solution, we have used the multi-agent system where we run the six agent in which this agent takes the information from the various platforms such as research papers, then patents, and then information about that particular drugs. Analyze the clinical trials and scan the patents and research papers and study the biological and genomic data. And within 15 minutes, our system identifies the potential drugs candidates and rank them and generate ready to use reports. In this our platform, user first need enter a disease and AI agent analyze the data sources, system enriches the result using the biological network. Finally, it provides the ranked drug suggestion with insights on a dashboard. And our solution delivers 60 to 80% faster research, 30 to 30% cost reduction, and faster identification rare diseases treatment. Faster decision making for the pharma companies, and it reduces the times of users. Okay, let's see how our systems is working. Basically, this is the dashboard of our system, and we can see here we can put any disease which we want, and here we use the six agent for the analysis. We select the Alzheimer disease. Okay. Here we can see various agents. There are six agents we are working like clinical, genomics, research, market, patent and safety. This agent helps us to extract the information from the all over internet and gives the best result. Okay. Here we can see the whole result in the visualization format, and we can download also. Here we can see we are exporting the PDF file and we can easily read it and understand it. In this all happens in just minutes. Here we can see the whole report of that Alzheimer disease so that user can easily read the all information. And this is the visual analysis of our report. This is how our system works, which analyze the whole concept of that disease and gives the best result. Thank you.